My first time riding the West Coast. Where's that bridge? Holy shit, everyone's catching up to me. Huh? Play with them, okay. No! No! Damn shame, bro. I was so looking forward to drinking that. We're almost to the bridge. Oh yeah, we're coming up on this shit, I think. These guys are movers, bro. Oh my god. Here we go. Hey, look, you caught up. Yo, here we go. Oh shit, yes. This is about to be awesome, bro. This is so fucking cool. Yo! This is sick! Fuck yeah! Oh my god, look at this shit! Oh yes, bro! Unreal. I'm so happy we did this. Yo! I'm just riding the shoulder, I'm not even in traffic. This is unreal right here.